Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day today. So for today's video, we're going to be installing a short throw shifter. I am going to be needing my boyfriend's help today because it is a complex job. So that's why I'm going to be using his assistance, and we're doing this in order to get it ready for Dyno Day, which is tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and show you guys the two things that we're going to be installing today. Alright guys, so this is going to be the new short throw shifter I'm going to be installing. The stock shifter is really vague and kind of just makes it annoying to drive, whereas this one is going to make it more quick, easier, and it's just going to be more fun overall, allowing me to be able to finally gap, you know, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, GTRs, whatever you name it. So guys, let's go ahead and without further ado, go ahead and toss in this puppy. Alright guys, so the car is up on jacks now, and we're gonna go ahead and start by removing the stock shifter. Alright guys, so the first step is to remove the shift knob. It is a little hard, but yeah guys, I need a new shift boot, so don't worry about it being so crusty. And if you guys want the shift knob, go ahead and go on American Muscle and you could find it there. So here it is. Wow, this is gonna be gone soon.
Alright, Daddy Drew's taking the wheel. We got a couple bolts like that one. Sorry, it's really tight down here, and there's a couple up here. I don't know how good you guys can see. There's a couple up there. Just to remove the factory link, it's really easy. She doesn't really want to get dirty, I'm betting, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of it really quick.
I got it.
Okay, we're recording.
I am.
Alright, yank it out. It's the factory one. Yay!
Damn! This shit is...
Alright, so come here.
I'm still recording.
Come here.
Do I not record? Okay, so looking at the factory shifter, this is really floppy, demonstration A, whereas the new one is a lot more stiff. This is like barely to no wiggle room or wiggle in this. Stop recording me. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and feed this through to him. Alright guys, so the short throw shifter is in, so now let's go ahead and put in the clutch and test out the gears. That's first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So wow, this is just like, compared to my old shifter, this is gonna be more kind of smooth. Definitely 100% feels more smooth. The gears go in the gears that they're supposed to be in. You're not gonna be confused about what gear you're in. Alright guys, so we are inside of my car, and the way this short throw shifter feels is just amazing. Like I don't know, I'm like lost for words. I'm happy, I'm excited. Like excited is an understatement. Like from the moment I got this, I was just ecstatic to have it and get it installed, because driving my car was not as fun, you know, with the stock. Whoa, that was a big ass bump. But with the stock shifter, you know, it wasn't as fun. It was kind of more difficult to install, or not install, but it was more difficult to drive. But this just feels like, I don't know, night and day. One thing about this shifter is that I'm in neutral right now. There's little to no tug. Like my old shifter, you know, used to go like doom 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 doom, like when I would shift it in neutral. Look, right now it's kind of like barely wanting to, you know, move around. And going to first, you know, I only weigh like 100 pounds, but it is kind of like difficult, I want to say, to kind of shift in sometimes, but I just have to get used to it. But yeah, I am just beyond happy, beyond excited to have this. Like, this is the difference that it makes drivability wise is just so amazing. Like, now I'm gonna be, you know, excited to drive my car now, because, you know, shifting isn't gonna be kind of not boring anymore. Is this guy gonna merge or not? Like, wow. Going to fifth, you know, it's a little, you gotta kind of give it a little more, you know, muscle, but out of everything, I am beyond happy with it. Like, I'm so happy. I'm just at a loss for words right now. Honestly, like, wow, this just changed my car completely. At least for me. I know to a lot of you guys it's not a big deal, but to me, seeing these kinds of changes, drivability wise, means the world to me, and it makes me more excited to drive this car. Honestly, I can't wait to go dyno my car tomorrow. So we're gonna, you know, get up bright and early and drive an hour and a half to Simi Valley, and I can't wait to get it dynoed. We're gonna be installing the cold air intake, the Ford Performance intake manifold, and my previous video we did install the intake, but it did require a tune in order for the car to run. So hopefully with these add-ons more, especially with this short throw shifter, which I'm beyond happy about, you know, hopefully my car's gonna feel like another car, a different car, and, you know, hopefully my car, you know, feels faster. I'm sure it is. So I'm really, really excited about that. Like, words can't describe how excited I am. Just even having this installed, something so simple can really make, you know, the world. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I'm beyond happy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and close off the video here. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys who have watched my videos, who have subscribed, who have liked, who have commented. I want to say thank you so much for being so welcoming. And obviously I want to say thank you to my boyfriend who helped me and who always helps me if I have any questions on my car. I really, really appreciate him. And yeah, I can't wait for my next video, because, you know, even though I'm not gonna lie, I do feel a little faster. I'm not gonna be granny shifting no more with this little short throw shifter. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate everything, and until next video,